So what happens when we get back?
I don't know. I guess